Some of you guys may or may not know that I've been on this vegan plant-based diet for a couple weeks now, and I thought it'd be cool to show you what I eat in a day, plant-based vegan edition. So let's make breakfast, lunch, dinner, and some healthy snacks. This is just my twist on the Kylie Jenner avocado breakfast sandwich that she does. I put some sliced avocado on some naan. And she uses, I think, toast. And then just a little bit of Himalayan salt. Crushed red pepper. She uses honey, but for me to keep it vegan, I'm using maple syrup. And there you have a delicious vegan breakfast. Busy day for me. I'm still filming recipes for my TikTok and Instagram, but I'm taking a break for lunch, and in my air fryer, we have crispy tofu that I put some olive oil, salt, pepper, and then air fried at 375 for about 18 to 20 minutes. But I just want to show you that you could have all the things that you love on a vegan diet, and we love ramen. I'm indulging a little bit today because I'm having ramen cravings, but I found this at Ranch 99 and it's completely vegan, called Nong Shim. Okay, so I have some boiling water and I cut this so I can take my ramen out and the seasoning. I think we should add some veggies to this. Let me see what I got. And here it is, my vegan lunch. Ramen with tofu, kimchi, and mung bean. I'm actually in the middle of filming a air fryer recipe, making lasagna in the air fryer, which I can't eat. And that's probably one of the hardest challenges about having a diet that's different from everyone else's, is that I still have to make food for the rest of my family. So sometimes I feel like I'm doing double the work, and what helps really is to have like pre-made stuff for me. So I got these like hummus cups from Costco. This of course is in bulk. So I just grabbed one of these in the middle of the day for a snack, and I have it with some carrots. Okay, so I feel like I need to explain to you why I've suddenly became a vegan and why am I showing you a full day of vegan meal plan. I was diagnosed with chronic urticaria, which is just chronic hives. You might be able to see some of it right now on my arm, right here, my wrist. I wake up daily and I'm covered head to toe in hives. And it feels like 100 mosquito bites are on my body, which is really, really uncomfortable. To somehow try to solve this mystery of why this is happening, I tried to do this elimination diet of meat, dairy. I'm lactose intolerant anyway, so that was easy. But just to remove animal byproducts in my diet in hopes of that was the reason why I was having these hives. But of course, obviously it's not working. I've consulted with an allergist and it's really hard to pinpoint what is causing this. So it could be environmental, it could be something I'm eating, it could be stress related, it could be detergent, it could just be honestly my dogs. We just don't know. We're running tests, blood work and everything. I'm doing this plant-based vegan diet and continuing it because it makes me feel good and it's giving me some kind of control over my health where there's another part of my health I can't control. I'm in my workout clothes. I'm gonna catch up on some of these emails real quick. I've been snacking on dragon fruit. I have the pink one and the yellow one. The yellow one is a lot sweeter. And the pink one is a little bit more firm. All right, dinner time, and I'm making Impossible burgers. So these are plant-based, but it tastes like meat, it cooks like meat, and it looks like meat. So you see, it does look like ground beef. See if I can do this one-handed without breaking it apart. Flipping it for you. And then I'm just sauteing some mushrooms. Put them in there, and then I'm gonna toast my bun in the same pan. One pan dinner for me. Okay, we have our toasted bun. I have some balsamic Brussels sprouts that I made the other day that just left over. Top it with some mushrooms. Doing this one-handed is very hard. Next time I will use my tripod. And I can't forget our ketchup. And that is my dinner. We have the Impossible Burger, mushrooms, and some balsamic Brussels sprouts. If you guys like this full day of plant-based or vegan diet and you want to see more, just let me know in the comments. I'll do another one. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next Friday for another episode.